Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back in today's session. I hope children you all are studying well. So children, today we are going to learn a new topic. Our today's topic is table of 4. In the previous class we have learned table of 2 and 3. Okay children, before we start with table of 4, we are going to revise table of 2 and table of 3. So all dear children, you all say table of 2 and table of 3 with me. Ready children? So say 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And 2 tens are 20. Okay children, now table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. And children, today we are going to learn table of 4. So all the children are going to repeat after me. Look at the screen. See, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. I hope children you all are understanding table of 2, table of 4. Now children, be ready with your pencil and your notebook, and you are going to write table of 4 in your notebook. You have to write table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay children, I hope you all must have understood table of 4. Now you all are going to say table of 4 with the teacher. Ready children? Okay. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. And you all are going to write table of 4 2 times. Okay children, Now one more time I repeat. All of you pay attention. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay children, understood all of you? Now you all are going to, yes, you all are going to learn also. You are going to learn table of 4. Because in the next maths period, I am going to ask you table of 4. So you all will learn it. Okay children? In the previous class, we had learned numbers and number names from 201 to 250. So children, today we are going to revise numbers. You all can say with me. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Also children, we had learnt numbers from 251 to 300. So we are going to revise numbers today. Say 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. I hope children you all must have enjoyed today's session and you all are going to learn and write table of 4. Okay children. So thank you so much children and see you soon in the next maths class.